It's hiding. Where are you, fish? Okay. Hi guys. Along with my rice, I'm going to have it's mackerel fish, and so it's already sliced in half. I bought it in the store. It's already cut off and cut it in half. So they butterfly it for me. So anyway, we call it sarsyado. Isdang sarsyado. Fish, sweet and sour fish. So I will have a sweet and then sour vinegar. Yeah. So this is my So what I'm gonna do with the fish, I'm gonna slice it, cut it in half. So the fish, it will get fried first, halfway done, not completely done. It's halfway. You just need to sear the fish for flavor. So I'm gonna cut it in half. There you go. And then what I'll do with fish, I'm gonna sprinkle with salt. So I will flavor the fish first, but then it will get flavor again. Okay, so let me fry my fish. Olive oil. Sliced onions. I'm gonna slice my vegetable. Whew. Very strong. And then I'm gonna use 4 cloves of garlic. And then I'm gonna chop some ginger. Oh, the onions, very strong. Okay, I'm gonna use the green onions. This is the last it's just for it's good flavor also, the green onions, and but also it's pretty because you can see it's green. So that. And then my carrots. The carrots I'm just gonna cut in half because they're baby carrots. Okay. And then I'm gonna use bell pepper. And I said that. Okay, two tomato, but the tomato is one big one small one. Just well use up. Okay, so it looks like a lot, but it will, you know, it will get smaller, shrink all this vegetable. Okay, hey guys, I'm using the same pan, and I'm gonna use some of this olive oil. So you get more flavor from the fish. Ginger, pepper, so I'm just waiting for to get translucent all the onions, the bell pepper, the garlic, and then the tomato. I'm gonna season salt a little bit. Smells so good. Okay, now I'm gonna add the carrots. One tablespoon of soy. Just give a little bit color contrast. So make sure I have enough balance here. How much salt I'm gonna add some more. Oh my god, it's good though. I'm just gonna add a 1 tablespoon of vinegar. And then 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. Black pepper here. Now I'm adding the fish. Okay. Okay. So let it cook for 5 more minutes. Now we'll add the onions. Okay, the fish is done. Okay, I'm going to plate it out. Oops. Yan na po ang ating isda. Tapos na po. Luto na. Okay guys, the fish is done. And I'm plating out now. It's plated now. Plated. It's in the plate. Plated. Plated silver. Okay. Okay. So the fish is underneath. Can you see the fish? We're gonna get it out the fish. Okay, so. Okay, kain na po tayo. Wow! We have cider wine. You're really something. Cheers.
Cheers.
Salute. Oh my god, you're breaking my crystal. That's it, guys.
Get yours.
Huh?
Looks yummy.
Kain na po tayo. This is the head. I know you can't see it because I cover up so that way you can't see it.
Oh,
So that one in the middle is,
the tail.
yeah.
This is your
What?
sweet and sour shrimp, or sweet and sour.
Sour shadow, sour shadow. You want some spoon? Here. About a big fish.
Not even big fish and having a problem.
Okay. Get the head part area. See? I don't have no problem. I don't think you're shaking. You're nervous because you're hungry. So shadow, that means sweet and sour chicken. Excuse me.
Chicken of the sea.
Chicken.
But it's not tuna.
Sweet and sour fish.
We're messy.
Huh?
I said we're messy. Boneless or not?
No, it's not boneless. It's from the thing.
Mm.
Is it good? There's a bone? Oh, they didn't cut the bones.
Some of it they got out.
Okay, there's a bony fish. Careful when you eat bones. Mga kaibigan, sana nagustuhan nyo ang aking video ngayon. Hey guys, hope you like my video today. And please give me thumbs up. If you give me thumbs up and likes. Thumbs up and likes the same thing. Okay, please give me thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.
Bye. I'm gonna eat some good fish.